Changing your Workspace name on Railway app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your Workspace name easily. Step 1. Login. Access your Railway app account by entering your credentials on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to your Workspace. Once logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the dashboard and click on the workspace you want to rename. Step 3. Access Workspace settings. In the Workspace view, look for the settings icon or option, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it to open the Workspace settings. Step 4. Edit Workspace name. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in the databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new name, look for the Save button often at the bottom of the settings page. Click it to apply your changes and update your Workspace name. Now you have successfully changed your Workspace name on Railway app. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section or reach out to support.